Folks, we thought we'd do a garden update and show you all the beautiful flowers while they're still beautiful and doing good in this heat. We got one rain in about 8 weeks. So it is something special. Right here on my take for home and garden. First thing I'd like to show is this beautiful gold sedum. If you have a chance to get a hold of any, this stuff is unbelievable. It just eats sunshine for breakfast. It's a great, hot, low-care plant. And next we got our desert rose in bloom. You'll see a bunch of geraniums today. You know, I like to start them and have them just about everywhere. Here's a vining variety, and then a bougainvillea. Now our plumeria is leafing out. No flowers yet. Everybody that's used to them know how gorgeous. In one of the yard videos I showed this Drake elm. There wasn't a leaf on it. Now I think thanks to me watering, it's in full leaf. Can't walk past this crown of thorns. Fire and ice hibiscus. The coleus you've seen, but look how good it's still the same plant. And it hasn't sprouted or tried to bloom yet and get all wiry. The hibiscus. Begonia. Standard. It's a red crinum lily. We'll show that if she blooms right this year. And we got plumbago. This is more of a privacy hedge. Here's our spiderwort in a stump. We can't really have tulips here in the south, but these sakuma are our tulips, and I can't wait to show you when they come up. They're coming up, and it won't be long before they flower. You saw the red crown of thorns. Now here's the yellow. And then the copper plant. Some of the amaryllis is already out. It's funny, the varieties. Our neighbor's has been out and it's in full bloom. And here's some of our first amaryllis coming up. We'll catch them when they're blooming. A couple different geraniums. There's a hot pink one hiding back here. Oh, and here's our champagne pink colored bougainvillea. There's a snow bush. And our spring flowers are taking a whipping. We're on the end already of our early spring stuff. Violas, pansies, stuff like that. Just have a handful left to enjoy. We have a giant love for the different begonias. Back in here, if you can see, the begonia looks like it's growing out of the tree. That's an angel wing. There's a dragon wing. Now, this is the mother of a lot of the geraniums we have. This geranium is going on 11 years old. If we get fall weather, I take it in the garage, and it's just been wonderful. That's a standard. There's a blood red behind, and then along with it is some wonderful polka dot plant. We're going to see that again. Rubber plant. Here's another. This geranium is even bigger than the mother, and it came from her. Now here's polka dot plant. This is so easy to propagate. You will get 10 billion seeds. And it's just beautiful. We have the white and the pink. Alstroemeria. I had to show you the Phalaenopsis orchids again. Just every day they're coming out more and more and more. They're just loaded up this year. And the ground orchid. We don't have it in the ground, we have it in a pot. It is beautiful. We have another tree orchid. And I cannot remember the name, but we'll get that to you as well. It has not bloomed yet. Now Easter's just over, but this little Easter cactus we started from a cutting is blooming. It's so cute. Now here's my pride and joy, my prize jade tree. She's named. Her name is Beautiful. She doesn't complain. She doesn't try to tell me what to do. She's 11 years old, and she's the mother of all the little jades all around the house, down the street to the friends. She's just wonderful. So she's like part of the family. If it gets colder, we get a freeze, we have to take her in the house. Dragon wing begonia. Incredible yellow. Here's another angle. And here's that angel wing begonia again. It's almost as tall as me. If it stood up straight, it would be probably taller than me. But it gets this incredible cluster, grape-like cluster, or even wisteria-like. And when she starts getting like that, we'll show it again. Now remember, folks, if you like this video, Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Like and share our videos. And thanks for watching. I don't even have to say it, but I'm gonna. The best subscribers anybody could have right here on my take on home and garden. Be safe. See you soon. We'll see you in the next video.